So welcome guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can sell your Xempire coin that you have received from their airdrop, how you can sell it to USDT, and how you can now sell that USDT through P2P to any currency, any of your local currency, and have it withdrawn directly to your local bank account. So quickly now I'll be showing you. Now we are live on the Bitget exchange app. If you use Bitget exchange app to receive your Xempire token, it will be right here. Now if you are seeing this video as a short, most definitely I won't be able to explain all the detailed process on how to go about this. So quickly just subscribe to my channel and just tap down the related video, or just hop in through my main channel page so I can watch the full tutorial video and guide carefully. If you are watching this video on my main video feed, please make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment, ask whatever question you have in the comment section. Ensure you watch this video to the latter end, because I'm going to be giving you guys a bonus. There is a video that will be popping up at the latter end, which is one of the biggest airdrop that is currently going on, and to be listing in just few months from now. That's airdrop is just like BNB. So quickly now, pay attention and watch carefully. Now if you use Bitget exchange to receive your Xempire, it will be appearing, it will be trading live on your Bitget exchange, and it will be available for you to sell to USDT or for you to hold. Now there are basically three options for you to do this. Now first of all, what you need to do is to come here, just look down on my screen, just tap down to trade. That will be the same option you have on your on your own Bitget exchange. Now if you come to trade, what you need to do now is you just go to sell. There is the buy option and there is the sell option. Now this coin that you are seeing here, it's a different coin. Once Xempire start trading, it will be it will be trending. So what you need to do is that if you are using this trade option, what you need to do is that just come here and tap here. So that's if Xempire is not showing at the main trading option main page for you, you just come here and tap spot trading pair. Now once you tap spot trading pair, Xempire will be trending. So what you need to do is you just tap on it. It's not live now, so that's why I cannot make use of it, but I'm just showing you this quickly so that you can know how to sell this on time for yourself. So what you just need to do, once you see Xempire here, you just quickly slide. If it's not appearing here, what you just need to do is to just tap on the letter X and carefully look down. You just find Xempire. So let's make use of this dodge for example, because that's the same process. So now if you tap on sell, you just go back to sell. Now it's coming back to buy, but what we want to do is I want to sell. So because we already have Xempire coin on our Bitget exchange wallet, now there are two options. It's either you use the market or limit buy. So now let me go to market. Now if I tap on this option, there is there is limit order and there is market. Leave this the rest. Basically for this video I'm going to be explaining the limit order and market. Now what limit order simply means, let me tap on limit. What limit order simply means, there is a target price you are waiting for Xempire coin to arise to before you sell. For example, now you can see this coin that we're about to sell now. The at market price is currently 0.1398. You can see it's because of the trading volume, it's fluctuating. Let's say for example now you want, let's say this is Xempire and you want, maybe you want a digit to be added. Let's say for example you want it to add to 9 or 2. Do not be over greedy when you are doing this, because it's an airdrop. So if you are just selling, you sell straight. But if you're an OG, you want to go on limit order, you can make use of this. So let's say for example now you are waiting for Xempire to add 9 at the back or 2, or even cancel 10. What you just need to do is you just fix the number, then go to this toggle button to choose how much of what you have you want to sell. Is it 25%, 50%? You can just do it at your own choice, or if you are selling everything, you just go to 100, and once you just tap on sell, immediately you have sold everything. Now that's for limits. Now the next step is for market. What market simply means is that you are selling at the exact price that it is trading live on the market. You understand? You can see the trading volume here. This is how it's trading. This is the price live, and you want to sell at this current price. So the same thing you do with this toggle button. Either you just 25% or you are selling everything. Once you just tap on sell, automatically you have sell it to USDT. Now the next option for us to do now, at this trade. This is the easiest option. Just tap, ensure that you like this video, you comment and you subscribe. Now the next step for you to do is to tap on this convert. We are still at trade. Now this convert is, for me, I believe this is the most easiest and the most simplest. Now what you'll be doing is that you are swapping from this to that. That is to say, you are swapping from Xempire to USDT. Now for my own homepage, now this is what I'm seeing here. It is saying I'm swapping from USDT to BGB, but this one it's controlled by you. So now we'll just tap from this. So what you need to do, if you tap from, once Xempire is trading live, it will appear here. So let's say, for example, this is Xempire. You understand? You just tap on it. If you can't even find Xempire here, you just search on it. Just tap on X. Do not search Xempire. You won't find it, because what they are using here is just X. So you just scroll through. Now it will not appear here because Xempire is yet to be live. But I made this video so you can quickly do it on time by yourself, before maybe there will be a dump in price or there will be a pump. We can't see. So I made this for you to be able to do it at your own pace. So now what you just need to do, let's say this is Xempire. You just tap on it. You understand? Then you are saying you are swapping from this to what? USDT. You will choose the currency you are swapping to. So you will be swapping to what? USDT. So once you tap on it, you are going to now choose how much of it you want to sell. Is it everything? If you tap on max, that means you are selling everything, or you just choose, maybe depending on how much of Xempire you have. So you can just do it and you swap it. Then the next thing, what will appear here is what? The preview, the value it's worth in USDT. So once you tap on it, automatically you have now sold it to what? USDT. Let me explain again for those that do not get it. I say you come to your trade option. Once you come to your trade option, first of all, you'll be at spot. What you need to do is to come here, tap where you see this Dodge vs USDT or any trading pair that you see there. But once Xempire is trading, it will be live. So you just tap on it, look for Xempire here as it's trading against, as it's pairing against USDT, or you just search for X on the search bar. So let's say we're using this for example. So once you tap on it, you want to sell this. Either you choose market or you choose limit. Remember, I say limit is for you to expecting it to reach a particular price before you want to sell. Now this limit, if I tap here, this now limit. Let's say I'm waiting for it to reach a particular price, so I'll just add that price at the back. You understand? Now for market means I'm just selling live at the exact price that it is. Now for someone that is a newbie, you might not be making use of what limit, so you'll be making use of what? Market. So you just use this toggle button to choose how many percent you are selling. Once you tap on what, you go to sell, not buy. Once you tap on what, sell, immediately you have sold it off. Now still at this trade option, just go to convert, which I say is the easiest step. You are going to be swapping from Xempire to USDT. So you tap from this, where you see from, you just go and search for what? Xempire among your what's the coin you have in your wallet. So if you can't find it in your wallet, you will definitely find it. So just once you see it, you just press and hold. So once you tap on it, it will be there. Then the next thing for you to do is that choose what you are swapping it to, what you are converting it into, which will be what? USDT. Then you tap on preview, and that is it, you have sold it. Now the next step I told you guys is for how you can now sell that USDT to what? Naira or to any of your local currency and withdraw straight to your bank account. Now because I don't want this video to be extensively long, there is a video in the description box, or you just go straight to my playlist. I made a video on how you can do P2P, to how you can do P2P trading, how you can sell USDT and withdraw to your local bank account. Go to my playlist, you will see it there, or just check down the description box. The link is there for the video. Now at the now if you look on my screen now, you see there is a video that is popping up on your screen. This for me will be one of the biggest airdrops so far, which I think there is no much hype about it, because most times airdrop that will give you money, there will not be much hype. So just quickly tap on this video and watch the full playlist. There is a full video guide for you to know how to mine and do all you need to do, because it will be listing in just few months from now. They are listing in the months of what? In this year 2024. So hurry guys and start mining it. Make sure what you like, you comment, subscribe, drop me a thank you in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.